Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. In today's video I'll share with you a simple and very effective tip that is going to help get rid of puffiness around your eye. If your eye tends to puff a lot, it's large and round, this remedy is just for you. And this remedy is going to comprise of just one very simple ingredient, which is green tea. And this is green tea with honey and lemongrass. So these ingredients together will work wonders on your eye. It's going to help keep your eye very healthy, and it's going to get rid of all the puffiness, and it's going to help keep your eye in a very healthy state, because these ingredients in the green tea are very healthy for the eye. So all we need to do is we're going to dip the green tea into water, and here it is already. This has been in water for about, here you have it. All you need to do is take out the bag and squeeze out the water a bit, the way I'm doing right now, and place this on your eye. With your eye closed, just place this on your eye. That means you need 2 bags of the green tea, so you can place each on both eyes. Just place it on your eye and leave it for 40 minutes, then you take it off. After which, if you want, you can apply a moisturizer, but it doesn't really matter. This is going to help keep your eye in a very healthy state. It's going to relax your eye, and it's going to get rid of the puffiness around your eye, and it's also going to help relax your eye. So you can repeat this remedy 3 to 4 times in a week for about 3 to 4 weeks for best results. Even after the second application, you will notice the tremendous change in your eye. Your eye will be more relaxed, and it's going to reduce the puffiness. The puffiness is going to be gone completely. So you just leave this on for 40 minutes. After a while, you switch, and just keep on switching like that. And there you have it, guys. This is all there is. This is all I have to share with you. Like I said earlier, this is a tip I think you need, and it's going to be very effective. So go ahead and try this and share your results with me in the comment section below. As you can see, the green tea contains a lot of healthy ingredients that are beneficial to the eye. So try this and let me know how it turned out with you. Share this video with your friends, your loved ones, and your family. Click on that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon if you haven't already, so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos, because I upload very healthy and useful tips just as this one on this channel on a daily basis. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.